Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to change the aspect ratio of a video in Canva. This makes sure your video fits perfectly on different platforms, like social media or presentations. On your Canva dashboard, to change the aspect ratio, we go to Resize in the upper left part of the dashboard. Before we can use this feature, we need to have a Canva Pro or Business plan to access it. If you already have a plan, we just need to choose a suggested aspect ratio. As you can see, there are options for Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter, depending on where you want to use your video. We can also find more aspect ratios by clicking More here. This will show additional options like whiteboard, double papers, and many others. Once we have chosen the right one, we just need to click the aspect ratio and apply it. That's all it takes to change the aspect ratio of a video in Canva. Now our videos are ready to look great and be shared anywhere.